Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the platform and permissions, then define why the event exists. Once done, choose a clear name, namespace, and version so consumers can depend on it. You should define the payload shape now, include required fields, data types, and any optional metadata. Make sure to document expected consumers and retention. This first step prevents breaking changes later and lets you start implementing handlers and publishers confidently. Now implement the core. Write publisher logic that validates payloads against the schema, serializes safely, and retries on transient failures. At the same time, build consumer handlers that parse the payload and enforce idempotency so duplicates don't cause harm. Once done, add schema tests and integration tests to ensure producers and consumers agree. Use feature flags or a staging channel to roll out gradually, making it safer to detect mismatches early. Finish by deploying with a gradual rollout, enable monitoring, and wire alerting for failures and schema mismatches. Once deployed, validate end-to-end flows and collect metrics like success rate and latency. If something goes wrong, examine trace context, correlate request ID, and attempt safe replays of failed events after fixing the root cause. Make sure to update change logs and notify consumers of breaking changes so everyone stays aligned and incidents are resolved quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.